How do I connect and use Apple CarPlay or Android Auto? Apple CarPlay and Android Auto each appear on the home screen as an app. Connect your mobile phone to the infotainment system using the USB cable that came with your phone. If you have an Apple iPhone, connect it to your vehicle using the phone's Lightning cable. The Apple CarPlay icon on the home screen will change from grey to green. Tap the icon to launch Apple CarPlay. If you have an Android smartphone, make sure your vehicle is in park prior to making the first connection. Connect the phone to the infotainment system using your phone manufacturer's supplied USB cable. The icon on the home screen will change from grey to blue. Tap the icon to launch Android Auto. If you haven't already, you will need to download the Android Auto app to your phone.